Okay, so I bought this bidet off of Amazon for $33. This is what the parts look like, and it goes on the toilet seat. Okay, so here is the toilet. I'm going to put it on, and got to drain the tank here by flushing the toilet, and then drain the water out, and then disconnect all this stuff right here. So I'm going to get to it. I've been hearing a lot about them because a couple friends of mine got them, and so I decided I needed one because I'm to the point where I can't reach around anymore. It's just too hard. So I talked to a friend of mine, and I asked him the same questions you probably asked, you know, you're all wet, what are you doing there? And he just says, he just looked at me blank and says, well, you just get up and pull your pants up and walk home. And I found that to be right. And you don't even think about it, you know. So that old saying is, you know, you have to walk in somebody's shoes to understand, and so I understand what he's talking about now. It's not an issue. Okay, so I took the toilet seat lid off, flushed the toilet, no more water in there, shut the valve off, disconnected the hose to the toilet. Okay, so I hooked the supply line up to the bidet here, and just to stop it from leaking, because it's just leaking. The valve won't shut off, but now it looks like it's all stopped. So yeah, looks good. I'm going to put the seat down and check it out. Okay, so I'm going to proceed to put the toilet seat lid through the holes. Okay, so I got the toilet seat cinched down pretty good. There's a fine line between tightening these plastic stuff up too tight and then not tight enough. So I wouldn't over tighten this stuff. So I've used it now several times, and I'm never going back. Toilet paper is out the window now. I'm not buying toilet paper anymore. Okay, hopefully I'll get a good shot of this. Just to show you what I'm looking at, I'm going to turn this knob here either way. They got two valves down there, and they spray some water. As you'll see here, watch this. Okay, I'm going to get out of the way here because they go. Look at that, go to my bathroom wall there. Very good, let's see. I don't know. Check it out, see how it works. Yeah, the first couple times took a little bit to get used to, you know, ease up on the pressure and then a little bit more pressure, but oh man, you walk away feeling great, you know. And believe it or not, way less smell. I mean, the smell's gone out the window, really. And to do just a little recap, when you turn this handle here towards the toilet, that's supposed to be a softer spray, and the valve on that side, the far side over there, opens up and sprays. And then when you turn the handle to this side, the valve on this side opens up and sprays, and it's supposed to be a harder spray. And as you rotate the handle to the right or to the left, the pressure increases. So if you start out just turn it just a little bit, the pressure's there, and then as you rotate it to the right or left, the pressure increases. So you can control the pressure as much as you want. And one more question I had was, you know, the cold spray on your rear end there, and that's really not a factor. You don't even, maybe the first time you do it you think about it, but after that you just don't think about it no more. And yeah, I get it now, why everybody's getting them, and you do with that toilet paper stuff. Pretty good. Okay, that's the end of the video.